Hello everyone, so now I'm in Nantehang University's Central Sport Field. The reason we go there because we have a school event, Sport Day. 2, 3, ไปโอ้โหชนะเว้ย100 เมตรโคตรหนักเลยก้าโอ้โหหนักโคตรเยอะเลยโอ้โหชิโอ้ What are we doing? What are we doing?
Right now we're just preparing for the sports day event.
Oh.
Getting settled into the team. So team, get settled into your team.
How do you feel, Matthew?
Good.
Good? That's all? I think we came here like last year.
Last 2 years.
Hello, Mai. So Mai is our new student. Do you have Instagram, Mai?
You don't need to
Go eat.
Oh, Penny. Come on, let me go. You wanna play or not?
Everyone would please stand for the national anthem.
I thought it's 8:30 already. So it's 30 minutes late for national anthem. และเนื้อชาติเชื้อไทยเป็นประชารัฐผัดไทยของไทยทุกส่วน
Are you junior? He's junior.
Darren, what are we going? What are we doing?
You know you gotta win, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We have to win.
What happens if we lose?
If we lose, we'll kill ourselves. We'll kill ourselves out somewhere. Japanese people won't like you. Stab us in the stomach.
Andrea, sing. Sing. Here is the nursery until prep. They are also doing a sport day. There. Saren, are you ready? Tan, you think your team are ready? Yes. Oh.
Get set.
Go, Siren, go, Siren.
Go, come on, Siren, quickly, Siren. Come on, switch. Down, quickly, Siren, you gotta win. Quickly, Siren, come on, Siren, come on. Yeah.
Welcome to Thai Lake Race. Siren, first place or second place?
First place.
First.
Come on, who do you think we are?
We are.
Super.
Okay. Luckily, Tian wasn't here. If Tian here, Tian would shout, Duck Dynasty. Say. 2, 1, 2. Go, Siren. Siren. Yes. 1. Say.
What trash?
Come here. Get your next pair. Yes, you can.
Oh my gosh, it's not some grounds. Please stop.
เอาเหรอวันนี้มีสงกรานต์แล้วเหรอเฮ้ยไหนว่าน้ำเฮ้ยเนี่ยวันนี้ยังไม่เปียกเมาโอ้ยเย็นเจี๊ยบเลย
Oh. What are you doing now, Siren?
Sack race.
Siren's gonna be famous.
Matt, you think who will win?
No, you see.
Oh. Go, Siren! Don't make me disappointed. Come on. Go, Siren! Okay, so the nursery until prep sport day are already finished. I think they will go now. But our primary and secondary sport day will continue. Wait, Shane! Wait, really?
Yes.
Mr. Ross! Show your skill!
It's harder than I thought.
May the force be with you, Mr. Ross!
On your mark. Get set.
What are we doing next?
Done.
Oh, done.
Sponge. It's squeeze the sponge, guys.
Oh.
Sorry.
Shane, look at the water, This water is from Klong San Sam. Klong San Sam. Wait, you need to watch TN1. Wait, I just recording in my video. Wait, I will show you. Wait, just make us.
Yes! Oh, that's overflow. Let's see who wins.
Darren definitely win.
I will lose. Yeah, you definitely win.
1, 2, go! Oh, Darren, don't lose. Come on, stronger. Oh my God.
Arlene, legend. Oh, wait.
Back.
Oh.
Ali, come back.
Arlene. Oh.
Wait, Ali was
What are you doing? I myself.
How do you feel, Darren? You nearly lose your focus.
Shut up.
Oh,
I won though.
yeah, at least you won. Okay guys, so now the primary kids start to doing their relay racing. So I'm gonna leave my camera to Mr. Didi Pongsathorn. Okay guys, now it's nearly 1 p.m. We finally finished sport days.
Team leaders, please assist in your team.
So tired.
Right here. Total of 93 points. Our first place team, the Dust Devils. Ladies and gentlemen.
Dust Devils.
How do you feel that you got the first place?
I feel annoyed. I feel very annoyed.
Okay, thank you.
Because people keep saying my team is bad. But is my team bad? Maybe they're the most disorganized people in the world, but they're not bad.
A great amount
We
of
won.
determination. And
I must change.
Yeah.
ตอนนี้นะครับเราอยู่ที่เรา
Okay everyone.
Okay everyone. So
So
now
now, don't forget to like,
share, and subscribe.
Oh.